Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to solve a problem related to change in entropy. So the problem is 5 mole of gas A having volume V1 and 3 mole of gas B having volume V2 were kept in separate container. These two gases are completely transferred to a new container of volume V. So container A having volume V1 and number of mole of gases is 5 mole. So this will be your 5 mole and container V2 number of gases is 3 mole. So these two gases are completely transferred into another container having volume V. So suppose this is container C. So the total volume of container will be V and number of moles will be 3 plus 5. So that will be 8 mole. Assuming isothermal condition and that the work done is only mechanical, the entropy change of the system is. So this is the GATE 2018 geology problem. So first we will see change in entropy, that is delta S, which means S final minus S initial, which is equals to V initial and V final dq over T. So this is the second law of thermodynamics. So this is equation number 1. Now if we consider there is n mole of gas, so number of mole of gas is n. So from the first law of thermodynamics, that is the change in internal energy of a system in passing from an initial stage I to a final stage F is, so change in internal energy, that is del U, which is equals to U final minus U initial, and which is given by Q minus W. And another form of first law of thermodynamics is, so if we consider this as equation number 2, and as the system is thermally insulated, so basically यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है isothermal condition, so system is thermally insulated, then there is no exchange of heat with the surrounding. So कोई टेम्परेचर का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, तो हीट का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, तो Q वैल्यू जो होगा हमारा 0 होगा, और साथ ही साथ नो वर्क इज डन अगेंस्ट इट, सो W भी 0 होगा. सो आइसोथर्मल की कंडीशन में, सो इन केस ऑफ आइसोथर्मल del U, that is change in internal energy, that is from state I, which is initial, to state F, which is final. So change in internal energy will be 0. So for isothermal condition, change in internal energy will be 0. So this will be your equation number 3. And the another form of first law of thermodynamics, if the system undergoes only an infinitesimal change. Infinitesimal means very small change. infinitesimal change means very 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 small change. So बहुत ही छोटे से चेंज में in state absorbing an infinitesimal amount of heat. So dq will be your infinitesimal dq will be your infinitesimal change in heat and doing an infinitesimal amount of work. So dw will be your infinitesimal work is done. Infinitesimal very small work is done. Then the change in internal energy, that is the change will be also very small in internal energy. So that will give dq which is equals to du plus dw. But for this is equation number 4, for isothermal condition du will be 0. So equation 4 will be dq which is equals to dw, and as you know dq is equals to dw is p dv. P dv work done of a system. So p dv, or if we divide it by t, so dq over t which is equals to p over t divided by dv. And from this equation, equation number 1, if we integrate with respect to, if we integrate here, so vi over vf dq over t which is equals to vi over vf p over t and dv. So this term will be your change in entropy. So change in entropy del S which is equals to from equation 1. So this is your definition of entropy from second law of thermodynamics. So del S which is equals to vi over vf p over t dv. So this is the formula for change in entropy if there is a change in volume. So now we will simplify this. So as you know pv is equals to nRT, or we can say p over t which is equals to nr over v. So if we consider this equation 5 and this equation 6, so from 5 and 6 del x which is equals to v1 to v2, p over t will be nr over v dv. So from 5 and 6 we will get this, and del s which is equals to n is constant, r is constant, so v1 to v2 dv over v. So del s which is equals to n r, if we integrate we will get ln, which means the base of log is natural, v2 over v1, or we can say nr and ln v final, that is v final and v initial. So v2 will be your v final, that is final volume, and v1 is your initial volume. Now moving towards the problem. So the problem is there is a two containers. Suppose for A the number of mole is 5 mole. So there is a 5 mole of gas here. So this is container 5 mole and volume is v1. This is container A. So and another 3 mole volume V2, container B. So from these two, this will convert, goes into this and also this. So entire volume will be, if we consider V, so, and total number of moles is 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 moles. So for isothermal condition, the total volume is proportional to number of mole. So for isothermal condition, total volume is proportional to number of moles. So from A to C, that is change in entropy from A to C. So that is del S, because 5 mole of gas here in question, assuming the completely transferred. So 5 mole of gas is completely transferred from container A to container C. So there is a change in entropy. So SA, which is equals to NR ln V2 over V1. So for A, V1 is 5 mole, and for C, V2 will be your 8 mole, and N, which is equals to initially number of moles, so that will be 5. So del of S, that is change in entropy, which will be 5 into value of R, which is gas constant, 8.3 into ln V2 will be your 8, which is divided by 5. So this is your change in entropy if gas is transferred from A to C. So del SA, which is equals to 5 into 8.3 into ln 1.6. The value of ln, which is equals to 5 into 8.3, and ln 1.6 is 0.47. So that will give 19.5 joule per Kelvin. So this is the change in entropy from A to C. But there is another container having volume V2, and for this V is, yani V initial is 3 mole, and N is 3, and R is 8.3, and V final, which is 8 mole. So change in entropy, that is del SP, which is equals to NR ln V2, which is divided by VI VF divided by VI. So del SP, which is equals to N, which is 3 into 8.3 into ln 8 over 3, because final is 8 and initial is 3. So that will be 3 into 8.3 into ln 8 divided by 3, which is equals to ln 8 and this value will be 0.98. So the answer will be 24.4. So this is the change in entropy if we transfer 3 mole of gas to a new container, that is container C. Now the total change in entropy, that is del S, which is equals to del SA plus del SP. So del SA, which is equals to 19.5, and del SP, which is 24.4. So that will give 43.9 joule per Kelvin. So your answer will be 43.9. So 43.9 joule per Kelvin will be your answer. So I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.